Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the we couldn't verify your identity issue on Cash App. So first you're going to want to have Cash App opened on your device. So I'm going to open Cash App now. And once you open Cash App, you're going to click the top right where your profile is. And once you click that, you're going to scroll down until you see support. Then you're going to want to click on the support tab, and it's going to send you to another tab. So you're going to scroll down until you see chat. And once you click that, then you're going to explain your issue to Cash App, explaining that you can't verify your identity or something's going on with your Cash App. See, I just put, hi, I would like to verify my identity, but the app will not let me do it. Now I'm not able to find the option to verify my identity. That's just an example issue. But when you do chat it with Cash App, support actually explain your full issue in detail so they could do their best job helping you.